The future of the word leather will not be vegan, synthetic, or faux. It would be byproduct, traceable and sustainable. We're committed to a better future, and we have the responsibility to take care of our industry while defending the real value of the word leather. Our quest to become Europe's leading sustainable leather factory has begun. San Martin is now a Leather Working Group Gold factory, which means we obtained the highest possible rank in the sustainable audit. Leather Working Group is a not-for-profit organisation responsible for the world's leading environmental certification for the leather manufacturing industry. Our REACH certificate, issued by INESCOP, validates our leather as free from prohibited chemicals for the environment and human health. All of our energy consumption comes from 100% green energy, helping us to be more efficient with our productions. We also do biodegradability research testing on our collections. Our factory is an all-in-one place to develop your sustainable leather projects. Choose real leather. Choose San Martin.